and welcome back to yet another episode of Mosaic Chats. और इस दफ़ा अभी क्योंकि इट्स ऑलमोस्ट मे एंड यहाँ पे शुरू हो जाती हैं शादी की तैयारियाँ, जैसे कि पाकिस्तान में दिसंबर और नवंबर में नॉर्मली शादियाँ होती हैं. कनाडा में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदर कंडीशंस एंड स्टफ, सो वी नॉर्मली प्रेफर जून जुलाई, बट प्रेपरेशंस शुरू हो जाती हैं मई में. और कुछ शादियाँ वाइंड अप हो रही होती हैं, कुछ शादियों की प्रेपरेशंस ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म हो चुकी होती हैं. तो आई थिंक हमारे पास अभी एक तो रिसेंट वेडिंग कमर है जो कि है सदफ. You just got back from your brother's wedding, so why don't we start from there?
I know, it was such an amazing experience. और हमारे खानदान की आखिरी शादी. So we all like literally fun. Like enjoyed ourselves, and it was so much fun. And it was so kind of them to accommodate our schedules, just because वहाँ पर तो शादियाँ like events अब ज्यादा ही मतलब prolonged होते जा रहे हैं, right? कि पहले कि प्री वेडिंग कुछ पार्टीज हो रही हैं, फिर ब्राइडल शावर्स हो रहे हैं, and then after that they have the ghazals.
कवाली
नाइट्स होती हैं, right?
Yes, that's
And
what
there's दुआ की भी कोई मैंने
दुआ की
दुआ खैर की पार्टी और
फिर फ्रेंड्स ढोलकियां रख रहे हैं, like you know family में लोग कर रहे हैं, and then comes the big event. And we had 2 events on one day.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
It was amazing because it worked with our schedule.
So did you take your Tylenol with you?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
I had extra dose of Tylenol.
Okay,
for sure.
good. Okay.
So it was really fun. The pictures also came, so I want to share.
Yeah, we were excited.
But
Oh,
whatever
can't
I
wait to
did
see.
see that you shared on a little chat, you looked absolutely phenomenal, like stunning.
Oh, yeah.
Like
Yeah.
stunning.
As
Like,
always, I think.
the professional like the और भी हसीन
seen.
होंगी.
Yeah, we should sit together and
We have
watch it.
You know, I
should
was
plan.
just wondering, like my husband's niece is about to get married, like in
yes.
late summer, and everything is being run by her, like clothes, choreography, how the groom will arrive, to down to the last, like what the groom's sock will be, like literally that much. And I was just sitting there and thinking, I didn't even know what he's wearing till the very last minute, because nothing was run by me. Like everything,
Yeah.
the parents had so much more say than us.
Yeah.
I'm lucky that you're lucky that you knew what at least you were wearing, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Because
In
in
your
our
case,
cases,
that wasn't the
it
case.
it used to be a surprise.
Yeah. Surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know things have changed a great deal.
Yeah.
Before. Like अभी अगर देखा जाए यहाँ पे तो अभी तक वो ट्रेंड नहीं आया है, मेरा नहीं ख्याल शैंडी टाइप का, या आ गया है.
नहीं आ गया है शंदी आ गया है.
शैंडी and then वलीमे को भी कुछ
And then you
पता
know a
नहीं
lot
कोई
of
different
times
names
mix शादियां भी हो रही हैं जिसमें
हाँ, mixed
रिसेप्शन
शादियां,
सेरेमनीज
yeah.
अलग से हैं, right?
हाँ.
Even हमारी
That's
फैमिली
another
में अभी
one that
हुआ है.
happens,
और I was surprised जो अभी तुम बोल रही हो ना, that they are trying to control everything. They know, which is good in a way also, but I feel like this is something that you should enjoy. Because हमारे time, I think we were very naive. We got lucky because हमारे पास वो stress नहीं था जो मैं अभी की brides को देखती हूँ.
Yeah.
Stress because they're handling and controlling everything.
Yeah.
But I remember, poor girl, like she's my very, very, very dear niece, and you know, but she's very organized. She hired wedding planners. और
That's a
वो
big business too.
जरा देसियों के लिए शुरू में उसको
Hard,
digest
very
करना
hard,
was
very
very
hard,
hard.
very difficult.
And everybody was like, you know, they were giving her attitude कि भाई, you know, या बहुत शादियां होती हैं ऐसे. But you know, at the end, everybody was happy because everybody had their timings for the picture. कोई लड़ाई आगे पीछे नहीं हो रहा. और कोई मामी और नानी और ताया और ये नहीं कह रहे कि आपने या खाला मामी के you know हमें खाना नहीं मिला और हमारी आगे तस्वीर नहीं आई थी, because everything was going through the wedding planners. And so I think it was very nicely done. Everybody was happy at the end, and it was amazing.
No
Like, I have to
bridezilla
share.
moment. No bridezilla moment.
I think was with her, it was in the beginning,
Okay.
but because at that event, I went to her and I was like, you know, this is your event.
Right.
You need to enjoy it.
Right.
It's not only for us.
True.
So because she was very organized, so I think by the end, she was quite comfortable. And that you can see in the pictures and stuff too.
Yeah.
So
Also, there's like a personality type as well, right?
Yeah.
Some even grooms and brides are extremely hands-on,
Yeah.
while the others are so chill and relaxed.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
हमारे इवेंट में जब हम निकाह के लिए पहुंचे, तो जो वेडिंग प्लानर थी या जो व्हाट यू से लाइक जो सेट वेट चीजें करने आते हैं
The interior
या द डेकोरेटर
decorator, yeah.
Mhm.
दे वर फिनिशिंग अप अनदर वेडिंग जो देर तक चली तो वो वहां से सामान उठा के आने में
Oh my
उनको थोड़ा
God.
टाइम लग रहा था बट द ग्रूम एंड द ब्राइड वर सो रिलैक्स
Chill.
लाइक हम स्ट्रेस आउट हो रहे तो उनकी रिलैक्सेशन देख के हम भी चिल हो गए
मतलब ये भी तो देखो ना टाइम जो पाकिस्तानी स्टैंडर्ड टाइम है वो यहाँ से बहुत डिफरेंट है वहाँ
True.
पे लोग मेहंदियों पे 10-10 11-11
Yeah.
बजे पहुँचते that's why
And
they're
it's
probably
understood
relaxed.
कि भाई खाना
And it's
नहीं
understood
serve.
कि टाइम पे कोई नहीं
Yeah.
आएगा और 12 बजे खाना लगेगा but यहाँ पे there's still a little bit more sort of people are more organized
Yeah.
they're more aware that
Yeah.
you know you have to follow that and लोग टाइम पे भी आते हैं फिर
Yep.
right so
And then
That's
उसके
another
लिए
thing.
sometimes ये भी होता है कि if you have mixed crowd, then you give like the Desi or the South Asian crowd one time, and then the rest of them have like 1
separate
hour
time, yes.
later just to create that buffer.
yes
Yeah.
yeah
And ये भी है कि उसमें सबसे ज्यादा issues जो हमारे culture में होते हैं, which is with RSVP. Like the concept doesn't exist because
No.
they have to
Oh
do
my
the
God.
seating and you know, or even
Doesn't
if में
exist.
उसमें seating chart लगा हुआ है कि where you have to sit, people will just go sit wherever.
whatever they want
Wherever
Yeah.
they want.
Yeah.
I was at a wedding,
Yeah.
and I think because in summer everyone's booked back to back, right? So the wedding, तुम यकीन करो जैसे ही रुखसती के लिए the bride and groom got up, उन्होंने पीछे से सोफे उठा लिए.
Oh my God.
All-
Time, oh.
Like it was so at the moment, and then so for the movie and everything, we just had to go as if nothing happened. So we were just
Right.
like, oh, it's a part of the routine, so we're just part of the practice. There was a very sort of a surprising moment कि वो रुखसती होते ही वो सोफा पीछे से उठा लिया कि वो next शादी के लिए उन्होंने बुक किया
उन्होंने
था.
जाना है.
हाँ.
No, but from clothes to makeup to all that, actually चीजें भी बहुत ज्यादा अब आना शुरू हो गए. हमारे जमाने में इतना ज्यादा प्रेशर नहीं होता था. There was a typical bridal makeup and all that, but अब तो एक तो इतने functions हैं. उसकी accordingly you want to look different, but you want
Yeah.
to look nice, and you want
But
to
you
look
know what?
fresh.
I just want to say that going through all these weddings and today's weddings, because our weddings are different, absolutely. But I just wonder, like, the bride gets dressed so many times that by the time I see the bride on the day of the wedding, I'm just like, she was just like the one she
The
was
same
before.
person.
That's the same, right? Because
Yeah.
when we were getting married, we were just like we got ready on the wedding, so it was just a huge the bride is getting dressed, right?
Yeah, you feel
वो
like it's a
कहते थे
bride.
ना
It's a bride.
कि मेकअप मुझे याद है मेरी मेहंदी पे I put eyeliner and my mom said no तुम
Yeah,
मुंह
no.
धो के आओ
Right.
रूप आता है.
रूप नहीं आएगा you will put nothing on your face and I look like आलू बुखारा
I look like a ghost on my own mehendi because I had this dupatta
Same.
covered.
yeah me too
Same.
my face was
And I
covered.
didn't want to, I was not supposed to show my face.
Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah.
And Usman and his friends, they
My
all made
husband
fun
was
of me.
so upset because he's like, "Jab nikah ho gaya, why can I not see her face?"
Yeah.
Because of the culture.
I had similar experience. So, like my husband wanted my what do you call
Face?
it? Like face to be
Show,
shown.
yeah.
And then the rest of the family was like, no.
yeah
Yeah.
But then we had one sister-in-law who kind of like, became like the voice of reason. And then she just pulled like my dupatta up, and then I was able to show my face, and I was so happy because I wanted to show, okay, oh, look at the bridal noor, it's all natural. Like, there's no makeup.
yeah there was no
when
nude
you-
on
yeah.
me I don't recall any nude but I agree
I
with
don't
you.
know
I'm
किसके ऊपर
sure.
होता है और नहीं,
नहीं,
but
मुझे
just-
नहीं
That's
पता.
the only
I-
thing I
innocence.
feel is a little bit of it, like, where is that special day, like that special
yeah
makeup,
because they
special
look
day?
the same You've
Because they
seen
look
them,
they
yeah.
look the same from the day of Mayo because they're getting dressed every single day.
But अगर makeup की बात करो, since we're talking
Yes.
about how they all look the same on every day, I notice another thing that's come up is how so many young girls, and I'm talking 9, 10, 11, they are looking like 15-year-olds today. They look and
Oh,
they all
yeah.
look the same.
Yeah.
It's all this whole
It's so true. It's funny you say that because I was having this conversation with my daughter, and she's 18, and she was saying, "Mom, they're the biggest consumers for all these huge beauty stores. For these beauty stores are from 9 to 11, and their parents
Really?
are
That's crazy.
buying them products like. And why does a 9-year-old need an anti-aging cream, or why does a 10-year-old
Wow.
need niacinamide or hydroquinone?
Yeah.
You know, why do they need this? But it's being accepted by their parents and they're being bought. And mind you, these are not like $10 or $15
No,
products. These are
no.
expensive products.
Yeah.
Like you walk into these stores, it's cha-ching, cha-ching. Like there's no end to your
Yeah.
pocket.
And you know,
right?
not only expensive, जो तुम बात करी हो, these are chemicals you
These
are
are
putting on
chemical,
your face. And
absolutely.
young girls, just being 9, 10 is such a beautiful age, and you know, it's your own face. Why would you want to look
Yeah.
like an auntie?
So this
Yeah.
girl, she's 13, 14. I was watching her video, some video I was watching,
Mhm.
and she's at a very young age,
Mm.
and she doesn't smile or laugh because it's going to create creases and A lines. So she doesn't smile or laugh.
It's me like I think the
That's
irony is
terrible.
also
That's tragic.
okay. It's also the social media and the
Of
influence.
course,
that is what it
100%.
is.
That is what
Yeah.
it is.
Like the
It is.
influencers or TikTokers, the influence that these young impressionable kids have through social media, like the constant messaging from the beauty industry is what they are getting is like this is their target market and they're literally like going after it. And
Absolutely.
You as
Oh,
a
yeah,
parent
yeah.
or as a even as a 10-year-old child have to have like a strong sense of self
Mhm.
to to not
Yeah, you-
Do not fall for this
Yeah.
kind of.
You become a slave of all
yeah.
that, right? And then there's no end. Because
There's no
once
end.
you get into
There's
this
no end.
rut,
Yeah.
then there is no end.
and they also like associate their sense of identity with it. Okay, if we have makeup on and we go to school like that, who has time? Which 10 or 12-year-old has time to go to school with the full face of makeup?
Yeah.
But it's happening.
Yeah.
But
But
it's
my question
happening.
is that, okay, you do that. Okay,
Mm.
you get time, you
Mm.
organize yourself, you get that. What when you'll be 30, when you'll be 40? What will you do? What's the next step, right? For these young girls,
Mariam,
that if
we're
they don't see
living
that.
at an age of instant gratification, like there is
Yeah.
no one's thinking
It's-
even the next year, let alone in their 30s or
is.
40s. We're
Yeah.
listening. They want instant. The anti-aging cream. Oh my, instant. आपने वो tint cream लगाई है तो instant आपके cheeks plump हो जाने चाहिए or something
Yeah.
some craziness or the other.
That's a very good point
Yeah.
because even if you look at social media, scroll करते रहो तो you get thrown. There's so much that gets thrown at you.
Yes.
Yeah.
I cannot imagine how overwhelming it would be for a 9 or a 10-year-old.
Mm.
हम overwhelmed हो जाते हैं. Like
Yeah.
we're scrolling, we're like, what's going on?
Yeah.
Kapre to makeup to body image to music to everything.
Yeah.
Everything gets thrown at them. So कैसे करते होंगे? Like how can they even? How do you manage that?
और अब तो I think कमबख्त मेरा phone listens to me everything I
That's another problem.
अब आजकल हम वो
Yeah.
शार्क की
Yeah.
बात कर रहे थे तुम्हारा शार्क हेयर स्टाइलिश का तो मेरे ऐड आना शुरू हो गए मेरे
Oh
फीड
my
के
God.
The
ऊपर
Yeah,
phone
that's
listens to
true.
you. The phone is listening.
Even
Someone
TV,
is
phone, I think everything. I think.
I think we have to start normalizing looking
Just-
beautiful and natural and,
And
or
aging.
Aging.
Yeah.
Just
You know,
But
enjoy
aging
your age.
Naturally, हाँ नहीं हो रहा
Enjoy
ना.
that time. Because ये सारी चीजें they're not long lasting. And then once you get into that, वही बात जो मैं पहले कह रही थी कि फिर you will just look for more and more and more.
yeah.
But the reality is we all will be growing old.
yes.
We all will go through different things.
Yeah.
So, you know, if you don't enjoy your present,
Yeah.
you'll be always running after
True.
future. And then future is like nothing.
A beautiful friend of mine said to me that if you don't enjoy what you have today, you won't have it tomorrow. So really,
Yeah.
really value it and cherish it today.
And don't
Yeah.
think that this 5 second of Instagram life is actually the life.
the life. True. Very
Because-
true.
No, it's. I think it's so important to differentiate between that and जो आपकी real 4D life है, वो और किसी की भी किसी का भी कहते हैं social media is just one part, and most of it is a drama. Most of it is staged.
Yeah.
Reality में तो ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. Reality में ना
Reality
it is not going. And if you keep running after that, you forget reality.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
You're no longer in it. So मेरे तो बेटे हैं, दो माशाल्लाह से. And I
Mashallah.
don't, you know, when we talk about social media pressures on boys, of course, that's a separate sort of discussion. We can have that at some
Yeah.
point. But with girls, जो हम बात कर रहे हैं कि इतना pressure है, how do you? And all three of you have girls,
Mhm.
Yes.
mashallah, growing girls. You know, you have an adult girl. 20, 21? हाँ. So, देखो, how do you guys deal with this? What do you want to do differently that where you
Well,
can,
first of all, I will never entertain the sort of even the thought of purchasing and something or that would be identifying you. I would say I want to empower my girls. I want to strengthen my girls and tell them that who you are is beautiful. You yes, I mean, go out, buy what you like, enjoy life, absolutely, but do not depend your life on this product. And that's what I want to say to everybody, that आपकी जो बेटियां हैं वो बहुत beautiful angels हैं, right? So they're so delicate and they're so beautiful in who they are, and invest in that, in who they are.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, एक तो चीज मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि always imagine that you are the one who's wearing the dress or the makeup, not the dress or the makeup is wearing you, right? So always be confident in yourself. और जो भी आपको एक अपनी हाइजीन की रूटीन बनानी भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. वो स्लोली आप क्रीम से that is important. You have to keep yourself clean. वो तो वैसे भी सफाई निस्फ़ ईमान है और हमें ये सारी चीजें सोचनी होती हैं, लेकिन never become slave of these things. Or especially I never let her buy or do anything if she comes and she says कि mama because she did that, yeah, my friend is doing it, yeah, my cousin is फिर तो there's no way. Yes, you want to do it, and what's the reason, what's the age, तो फिर I let them do it. But it's just to begin with, हर चीज के लिए you have to be own yourself, be confident about yourself.
100%.
और एक और, हम माएँ बहुत सारी चीजें करती हैं कि हम बच्चों को ये कहती हैं, लेकिन मैं खुद सबसे ज्यादा करती हूँ कि मेरा वजन बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है, मेरे बाल ऐसे. When we talk, because they don't listen what we tell them, they listen, they see what we do in class.
Absolutely.
Yes.
That's also very important कि हमें as a माए we have to be mindful of that thing, right?
Yeah. और ये भी है कि हम लोग को I think एक also we should have work on building that relationship with our daughters and even with our sons, where they can fully express their feelings, even their doubts or their hesitations, or if they feel like they are lacking, is
like a safe space.
Yeah, a safe space.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah.
In anything, ताकि they can share openly with us कि भाई क्या मसला है, like okay, you think कि you're not beautiful, या आपको किसी influencer से आप influence होके and you want to change the way you look, because as we said,
that's a very good thing.
Impressionable minds हैं, तो that dialogue is important. Also watch, like just तुम कह रही थी कि conversations that you're having at home.
Yes.
And it's just as nice to have positive, healthy conversations even about yourself, about others, and about body image. Because that really formative years में it really forms like their sense of self उससे develop होगा, confidence आएगा. And I always tell them, like even my eldest one like sometimes speaks about, oh, I have a friend who got some work done on her face, and I always try to engage in a conversation with her.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, do you think she really needed it? Do you think it made her feel better about herself? So it's important for us to have those ask those questions in which कि उनको खुद thought provoking.
Let them talk about it, right?
Exactly.
ताकि वो जब answer कर रहे होंगे तो they will be thinking. Yeah, that's a very good and important point कि हम कई दफा कह देते हैं नहीं ये गलत है.
Shut down हो जाती है ना.
That's not the right.
You shouldn't shut down the communication. I
Let
think
them
that's
speak, right?
Yeah.
Let them.
Yeah, or even if they want to get something, okay, get it. Does it make you feel better? Like have a conversation afterwards. You know, because sometimes they are just at an age where we resist more. They want to even like push those
boundaries more. Yeah.
Because ये बच्चे अब वैसे तो रहे नहीं है कि इसमें मैंने बोल दिया तो अब तुम्हें वैसे ही करना है.
And now, speaking of reality, like a huge change. I'm jumping quite off topic, but did you see what happened in Dubai?
Yeah.
Did you guys have you guys been following that?
It's
oh my god,
insane.
insane. That is insane. Like I couldn't believe this was Dubai. I thought it was like somewhere like in the US where there was a tornado or something, and then I had to read the bottom and it said it was Dubai.
मुझे तो पाकिस्तान लग रहा था गाड़ियाँ डूब रही हैं.
Right.
मुझे तो लग रहा था कोई हॉलीवुड की मूवी चल रही है और उसके कोई ग्राफिक्स आ रहे हैं.
It looks like the end of the world.
Remember we were watching it together.
I know it does. It did give a glimpse of old childhood memories where people have those buckets and they are, filling
पानी
पानी निकाल रहे हैं घर में से पानी निकाल रहे हैं. अजीब वीडियोस थी.
And it's global warming. It's
global.
global warming. It's what is happening to our earth today. Like even our winter, like we only had a sprinkle of snow.
Our winter was like
nothing.
spring.
It's like spring. Like I remember when I moved here, it was till here.
Yep.
I remember I was sunk snow.
Me too. Me too.
And that would be the norm for the winter.
Yeah, we used to even have like proper snowstorms. I mean, no one looks forward to them, but
Yeah, I mean,
But that was a part of, that was a natural thing,
That
right?
was very
अब
natural.
मैं ये सोच रही हूँ कि अगर हमारी winter ऐसी रही है, तो imagine how will be our summer.
Summer be exactly.
And not
Yeah.
only that, everything got affected by that too, right? Inflation तो एक side पे चल रही है, but
Yeah.
all these things. I was thinking all those people who have their businesses जो start होते हैं
Snow
winter
plow
time में,
वाले,
snow plow
plow
or
वाले,
different,
They
हाँ.
have
So,
no jobs.
It all got impacted. Even plants, जो आप सारे अपनी plants की, क्योंकि it works like fertilizer for them, right? So then they grow, they come out nice. So अब I don't know how it's going to come. और कितनी लाइफ होगी जो अब प्लांट्स आएंगे सारे और उनका क्या
So global warming तो
मैंने
है,
ये-
लेकिन speaking from someone who doesn't like winter, मैंने तो बड़ा ही शुक्र किया कि winter
मैंने भी शुक्र
कम
किया
होगी।
Well, I love snow.
I
I love snow.
summer.
I'm not a fan of
I'm
snow.
not a fan.
of
I'm not a
summer.
fan.
I don't like summer. I like spring and I like
I like
fall.
Fall.
weather-
Fall is my
fall.
favorite weather.
Fall is pretty.
Yeah.
Fall मुझे
Yeah.
लगता है ending हो रही है summer की, तो मैं और रोती हूँ.
ये भी है.
I love fall.
Yeah, I love fall. No, मैंने दुबई वाला scene, just quickly going back to that. I heard that they do something called cloud seeding.
Seeding.
And apparently it went wrong.
So what is cloud seeding?
Artificial rain. बनाना.
Artificial rain. Okay, so it went wrong.
Yeah, I think every time like they see clouds, they do something with the chemicals, ताकि they start like
That it starts to
absorbing
rain.
moisture and then rain.
Yeah.
So this got totally out of control.
Apparently it got out of
Boost
control.
the
Yeah.
amount of rain and stuff,
Yeah.
and then it went too far.
Too far. Yeah.
That
Rain
they
hit the
didn't. They were
fan.
not prepared for that. But I was surprised कि कोई warning, कोई वो नहीं
They
था,
have
'cause I
no
felt
sewage
like
system. They don't have a sewer system.
Yeah,
I
because
was
it doesn't
reading.
have-
I think
it
the
doesn't
only
happen.
warning they gave was to tell the parents to keep their kids at home.
schools are
And the
closed.
people are working from home.
Yeah.
That was it. That's
Yeah.
all I read.
Yeah.
There was no but
There's no-
situation ये ऐसी नहीं थी कि यहाँ पे storm आया और हम घर से काम कर रहे हैं. We have snow plows. Things get done, right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
We live in
Infrastructure.
it's the infrastructure is working absolutely fine. लेकिन वहाँ पे rain इतनी rain का है ही नहीं.
नहीं है.
नहीं
हाँ,
है.
Exactly.
आज तो हमारे यहाँ जो बारिश
बारिश हो रही है
Oh my
और बहुत
God.
तेज हो रही है.
Oh, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि हमें भी भागना चाहिए.
हाँ, before
इससे पहले
पहले
किसी
ही
गाड़ी
गाड़ी
हमारी गाड़ी फंस जाए.
डूब जाए.
And with this, we come to an end for this episode. And please keep watching. And over to Sadaf.
Please do like, subscribe, and comment on our channel. Be kind to yourself and to others. Until next time, see you later.